first things first, what is client accounting and advisory services? Well, first, I'd just like to make a distinction. I think we all know what accounting services are. I see CAS as sort of a rebranding of the relationship accountants have with their clients. We've always been doing accounting and tax services. We think of these as compliance based after the fact services. Now, with the way technology has evolved and the way the COVID-19 pandemic has changed the receptivity to remote relationships, it's a lot easier for accountants to offer advice and say, hey, I see this data and here's ways that I could help you based on what I see from the outside. Okay, so CAS rebranding for accountants. Um, is there a straight up definition of what client accounting advisory services is versus traditional services? No. So that's why I'm paraphrasing as I think this is a movement of rebranding for our profession, and it's a really good one. So I did find, per the Journal of Accountancy, that the term client advisory services refers to a variety of services CPAs can provide, ranging from outsourced business processes, such as the virtual back office, to advisory services to CFO and controller services. So bookkeeping is sort of both. It is both a traditional compliance service and it could be considered in the CAS bucket. The difference between the two would be the way the engagement is structured, and we'll talk more about that soon. So I kind of call bookkeeping and tax compliance as our traditional services. And what are these other things that are included in CAS? So transaction assistance, transaction processing with the client, things like AR, AP. These are typically roles that are done in-house with the client, but based on staffing concerns that they have, maybe they don't have a team member that can do this effectively, and they already work with the bookkeeper. The bookkeeper could take on processing AR and AP. That would be an example of CAS at a lower level, the highest level being outsourced CFO services.